Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of Euro USD, and we saw some good moves on a chart of Euro USD when the news came out yesterday that Russia has withdrawn some troops from the Ukraine border. Okay, as a result, we saw heavy correction on the chart of dollar as well as on the chart of gold mostly, and there was also a fall on the price of oil as well because this was a fundamental factor, and events like war and pandemics, okay, they have got huge impacts on the market. Okay, as a result, when there was some ease of tension, okay, so market started recovering. Okay, anyways, let's look at the chart of DXY first. So right now DXY, you can see that DXY is trading in a range here. 96 on the downside is acting as support, whereas with 96.40 to 96.50 is acting as resistance. Right now we do not see much volatility or movement on the chart of DXY, but keep in mind overall, if we look at the analyze the trend of DXY, then you can clearly see that DXY is an uptrend. We have already discussed around 2 weeks ago regarding the swing pattern of DXY, and you can see that DXY is uptrend. Okay, so for day trading purpose, there may be some selling on the chart of DXY, but if you look at the overall structure of US dollar, then yes, it is very bullish. Okay, so keep in mind 96 is the level, at the downside 96 to 96.90, and whereas 96.524 is the resistance for the DXY. And now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. The current market price 1.1346, this is the current market price here, and one thing is very much clear, that the resistance zone of 1.1500 to 1.1480 is a valid resistance for Euro USD, because during this normal market still failed to cross the level. So in the future, I'm not saying today or tomorrow, but in the coming days, if we see Euro USD around this level, we can expect that the sellers, the strong sellers are still present, will be present, and they will push the market downside. So this can be a good selling opportunity on Euro USD in the future as well. The resistance of 1.1500 to 1.1480. Clear? On the other hand, we have a good support around 1.1280. 1.1280 has been acting as a good support for quite some time. Previously, I was not convinced personally, but when market bounced here, it was a clear indication to us that 1.1480 is a strong resistance and 1.1280 is a strong support for the market. Yesterday also we saw market bouncing from this particular level. So today, if Euro USD comes down to the level of 1.1280, we can expect a bounce. And if something bad happens to the market, if any bad news comes out, and if Euro USD breaks the level of 1.1280, okay, with good volume, then we can also take a sell position as well, because as of now this level is quite crucial. Okay, for day trading purpose, 1.1367 or 70, this level is acting as resistance. For day trading scalping purpose, if market goes up and reverses from here, you can take a sell position as well. And in case if you see market breaking this level and going up, the another resistance can be 1.1400. So keep in mind these two levels, 1.1267 and 1.1400, these are the levels for day trading purpose only, and these are not very strong levels, so their reliability is quite low in comparison to the other levels that we just discussed. So if you see any good price rejection from above in these levels, you can take a sell position as well for the day trading purpose. Okay, and on the other hand, If market comes down to 1.1310 to 1.1300, this level, we can expect a bounce. If we see price bouncing from this level, we can take a buy position as well. So these are the levels that I see on the chart of Euro USD for today. Let's see in which direction the market moves, whether we see any crazy news coming up today. Bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow.